third experiment is to study pseudo first order reaction and find rate constant. So probably the terminology is pseudo first order you might have studied. So what is basically difference between pseudo first order and second order is one of the reactant concentration is very much high or very much in excess. So therefore, even though reaction is second order, it behaves like a first order. So therefore, it is called as pseudo first order. And on similar lines, here in third experiment, we will be studying pseudo first order saponification reaction, and the reaction procedure will be explained by Sumit Patil. Come on.
The name of our third experiment is pseudo first order reaction in a batch reactor, and the aim of our third experiment is to study the pseudo first order reaction and to find out the reaction rate constant. Pseudo first order reaction are nothing but a second order reaction, but they are approximated to first order reaction under certain circumstances. Suppose we take a reaction of A plus B give rise to C. In this reaction, the rate of reaction is dependent on both the concentration of A and B, but it is very difficult to monitor the concentration of A and B at the same time. Therefore, taking any of the reactant concentration in excess, we can have a pseudo first order reaction. The example of such type of reaction are the acid hydrolysis of ethyl acetate, where the ethyl acetate is being acid hydrolysis to form acetic acid and ethanol. In the experimental procedure, we have taken the ethyl acetate in excess. Therefore, in our case, the rate of reaction is dependent on the concentration of NaOH. 100 ml is 100 ml of ethyl acetate is already poured in this reactor, and 10 ml of NaOH is also poured in this reactor, and they are being stirred at a constant speed. And immediately taken out the 10 ml of sample solution, which will be titrated against the 0.02 normal of HCl solution, and we will generate the data to find out the reaction rate constant, and we will also be study the pseudo first order reaction.